In this video, I'm going to show you how to unblock adult websites on Chrome. So stick around because I'm going to break down the different ways you can do it. And spoiler alert, the easiest and most reliable option is using a VPN. So if at any point while watching you decide to get one, then go ahead, check out the links in the description below, or you can just simply scan the QR code on your screen for discounts on the VPNs I recommend for this. Okay, so the first thing you could do is tweak your browser setting. Chrome has all kinds of settings and extensions that run in the background. And sometimes it's literally just an extension or some parental control add-on that's blocking the site without you realizing it. If you go through your settings under privacy and security, you can clear your cookies and browsing data, and sometimes that alone fixes weird loading issues. And if you've got one of those safe browsing filters or a family safety extension running, switch it off. This will usually take care of the problem. The only catch is that this won't help if your internet provider or whoever manages your network is the one doing the blocking. That's where things get tricky. Now, another way to unblock adult websites on Chrome is switching up your DNS settings. A lot of people don't even know what DNS is, but think of it like a middleman that connects your computer to the websites you want to visit. Some DNS providers automatically block adult content by default, so even if your browser is fine, the block can happen there. If you change your DNS to something more open, like Google's DNS or Cloudflare's DNS, you can sometimes bypass that. But here's the thing. You have to go into your network settings and manually type in those server addresses. It's not hard, but it does take a bit of patience. And it doesn't always work if the block is happening higher up with your internet provider. So while it's free and we're trying, it's not a guaranteed fix. Now, here's where it gets good, because this is the option that just works. You want the smoothest, most consistent way to unblock adult websites on Chrome? You need a VPN. And the reason a VPN is so much better is because it reroutes your connection through a completely different server somewhere else in the world, which basically means your internet provider or your network has no idea which sites you're visiting. It gives you privacy, it gives you freedom, and it makes all those blocks irrelevant. And I've tested a bunch of VPNs, so let me just save you some time and share the ones that I actually recommend. One that stands out to me is CyberGhost VPN because it's super beginner friendly with one of the largest server networks you'll find. And it comes with the crazy discount, which is about 84% off plus 4 free months when you use the link down below or scan that QR code. Then there's Surfshark VPN, which is another solid option. Great if you want unlimited devices on one account, and you can get 60% off plus 3 free months. If you're looking for a bigger discount, then TotalVPN has one of the biggest cuts I've seen with 80% off through the same links. And it keeps things simple if you just want something budget friendly that works. Now, NordVPN is also a good choice, well known for its extra fast servers and strong security tools like DoubleVPN. And right now you can grab 74% off with 3 free months. And if you're someone who already trusts Norton with your online security, their VPN is also solid, especially if you want it bundled with Norton's full security suite. And you can get that up to $35 off. So to wrap this whole thing up, yeah, you can play around with your Chrome extensions or swap your DNS settings, and those tricks might work sometimes. But if you're tired of trial and error and just want a fix that always works, go with a VPN. It's private, it's easy, and it saves you a ton of frustration. Don't forget to check out the links in the description below, or just scan that QR code on your screen to get the best discounts available right now. And before you head out, I want to know, have you ever run into these blocks before? And if so, did you try a quick fix, or did you just go straight to using a VPN? Go ahead, drop a comment down below. I'd love to hear what your experience has been like.